Cleaning business owners, be honest. How many leads are you losing every month? Ads are expensive. Agencies don't deliver, and the customers you do get, too many slip through the cracks. Then you're chasing invoices, requesting customer reviews. Oh, you aren't requesting reviews? That's crazy. They are now the #1 ranking factor in Google, and you're buried in paperwork and wasting nights writing estimates. Sound right? That can't keep happening. Now imagine one app that does it all. New customers, automatically requests reviews, captures leads, automatic follow-ups, instant invoices, and simple estimates. Stop stressing. Stop wasting money. Start running your business smarter with one end-to-end app built for cleaning businesses' success. Take a look at it, and lunch is my treat.